up, movie crew? So today, we've got an unboxing video. But before I get started, if you are new to this channel, my name is Luke, this is Let's Watch a Movie, and if you're anything cinema and physical media related, you've come to the right place, so hit that subscribe button. Today, I have a package from SRS Cinema. I already know what's in here, but now let's get this thing opened up so everyone else can see what's in here. All right, in 3, 2, 1. We've got Woods Witch on Blu-ray. This movie was directed by Shawn C Phillips, aka Coolduder. And after picking up Amityville Karen, I will have the unboxing and review in the description down below for anyone that would like to check out both of those videos. So here is the front of the Blu-ray. There is the back if you want to pause it and read the synopsis and the special features. And we've got a little insert for SRS Cinema. And we got a little bit of disc artwork on the Blu-ray. And my pre-order included the poster. So there is the poster that came with the pre-order. I gotta say, I really like this one. The Amityville Karen poster was cool too, but I really like this one. So, picked this up because, one, gotta support one of my friends, gotta support one of the people that's a member of the community. But also, I did really enjoy Amityville Karen as well. So, Shawn, whenever you watch this, I am definitely looking forward to watching it. As far as a review goes, I am uploading this video for Monday, so expect the review for Woods Witch by Friday. So that is the unboxing for Woods Witch. I will have links in the description below for the SRS Cinema store link for anyone that wants to pick up. I think the Blu-ray might still be available. If not, there is still a DVD option on the SRS website. And I will have the Universal link for Amazon in the description as well. So definitely pick up your copy of Woods Witch. Expect that review later this week. And Shawn, whenever you watch this, definitely looking forward to watching it. Thank you for pointing this out to me when it was made available. And that's going to do it for this one. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. You like what you see, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. Do you plan to pick up Woods Witch? Are you looking forward to the review? But that's going to do it for this one. Thank you all for watching and tune in next time.